Alright dudes, today we're gonna try and clear out the headlights a bit more. Never really done this before, but we're gonna give it a try. We've got a bit of time until our customers come. Get some water, because it's best to use it with a wet, very fine sandpaper. So I'm using 2000. Wet it a bit. And I'm gonna brush all this shit off. It's not very easy, dudes. You need to rub it really hard. But we can see it working a bit. Definitely. I have an idea. Use a bit of this toothpaste. Oh man, kids ruined it all. The fuck have they done? So basically, you need to rub it for quite a long time. You can feel it with your finger where the worst bits are. Concentrate on them to smooth them out. You know, let's risk it and get something a little tougher. You know, it's not bad. It's not too bad. You can see all the scrap coming off quite nicely. Yeah, make sure you don't rub off the paintwork, because this will scratch the lacquer and it'll be a bit shit. And 1000. So let's use the electric thingy, because my elbow is now hurting. Okay, now get some liquid wax and try and polish this mofo off. Okay guys, as you can see, we couldn't take off all of that, so we're gonna take some drastic measures and use a harder sandpaper, and we're gonna use medium sandpaper. You can see all that shit is coming off, and ideally you need some headlight spray for it as well. Okay, let's put it on there. Give it a go. Put it on edge and only use the edge. Be careful when using that, because you can catch the paintwork quite easily. So don't go too over enthusiastic. Use your hands in the bits where you can't see too well. Okay, all this white shit is actually all this stuff that's coming off nicely. So now we need to use something a bit lighter, 2000, and smooth it out. And yeah, most of that shit has gone, lads. So don't be scared, just use a harder sandpaper. Look at that. Most of them are gone. Okay, let's just use a mirror wipe to see what we achieved. And that is not bad, guys. That is not bad at all. That is much better than before. So now let's just polish it out a bit. Okay, dudes. So this car is nearly ready. Ksenia, just taking it for a drive. Yeah, try. Yeah, it beeps. Nah, it's crap. Oh. Dudes was supposed to come today, but it's alright. At least we get to clean it a bit more. And I still need a light bulb. Lovely.
I can guess already what you fucking done.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Can't even see it on camera. Only took 2 seconds.
Is it this?
Yeah. Good, isn't it? Better than before.
I can't remember before, but yeah, that'll do.
Yeah. The same on door handles.
Oh, you've done the door handles on this side.
On this side, they weren't fucked.
You need all 4, you can't just do 2.
Yeah, you can.
No, because it will stand up like a fucking motherfucker. Right, you got any wet?
It was all brown before. Looking like shit. And now it's all... This phone is gay, it's like zooms. Yeah, I'll do it. If that's the way.
No, I'll do it.
No, I'll do it.
No, I'll do it.
You're eager beaver, aren't you? And then we need some polish.
No, compound.
WD-40?
Compound.
What's compound?
Rubbing compound.
What the fuck is that?
If you've got no rubbing compound, we're going to be fucking having fun.
What's the rubbing compound? Like what?
Like tea-cut, but stronger.
Oh. Let me go and search. Motherfuckers, do you think we've got tea-cut? I don't think so. But we shall find something. Rubbing compound. My ass. Nice. Yeah. Think it's coming up, Tom. So how long do I keep rubbing for till that fucking till it's dark and that fox comes? Till I go spastic.
No, it looks like plastic.
Ah. I thought till I go spastic. I can't understand your Helsham accent. Right, dude, so you rub it until basically you run out of tea-cut. So much better now, look at that.
It's now ooh la 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 so sexy, you just want to lick it. Oh oui, c'est super sexy, just want to lick it.
C'était l'extase.